Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, today we're working on Mercedes W203. We're going to be removing the airbag module. We'll show you where it is located, how to remove it, how to get to it, and all that kind of stuff. This one, the battery was dead for a long time and the airbag module forgot the VIN number, so we'll send it to a guy to get that thing replaced. Okay, gotta get a phone call. And once we get it back from him, actually, we will let you know if that works or if it doesn't, because he claims he can do it for 45 bucks. Otherwise, we have to spend on almost 2,000 on new airbag module and programming. So now stay with us. We'll show you how to remove it and replace it. Okay, you need to remove that trim around the gear shift right there. Okay, you need to pull to the back. There is a few clips and those break usually. We fixed ours in the past. Okay, right there. And what we need to do now, actually, right here, if you go, you can turn this thing. It goes counterclockwise. Okay, and you can pull the gear knob out of there. And now if you grab right there, oh, there is a couple clips here. And we need to remove that trim piece, but we need to shift it towards the back, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, like that. And let's see if we can pull it out without breaking anything. Okay, it's out of there now. Okay, so now we have one clip here. You have to be careful and release that, and the one on this side. And once we do that, it should be able to come up, okay, like that, and we can pull that tray out of there. Okay, we have the connector for the light here now for the 12 volt outlet, but you can just set this thing on the side and you can sneak a peek at the airbag module right there. Alright guys, now with the T20, start looking right there. There is a screw that we need to remove. Okay, you can see, and there is one right there that holds the heater and AC controls. Okay, second screw is out now. Okay, let's see what else we got here holding this. Alright guys, now with a small prying tool right here, you can pry that thing open. Okay, there is a few clips holding it, and it's pretty strong. So, but just be careful not to break it, okay? That's the heater control module right here. Okay guys, and the airbag control module is right there. You can access it better now. Okay, we can actually see the damn thing. It's a little bit dark, but we'll show you. Okay, right there, Bosch. Alright guys, so we got it out. It's easier if you actually remove the radio. We didn't in our case, but you can if you want to. We'll have a video on radio removal soon as well. So that's the module, like that, and it has three screws with an Allen wrench. Okay, and once you remove them, that's the wire right here, which is closed right like that, and you need to press that yellow piece down and pull the green piece and you open it. Okay, so remember, 3 bolts, 3 screws. It's way easier if you remove the radio. We've done it so many times that we actually can do it without removing the radio. Okay, you can see that's the one we're using. We're using actually not metric one, it's 3/16, but we recommend using metric one because the other one is a little bit loose. Okay, but now we'll just go ahead and send it and get that thing programmed and see if it's going to fix our problem. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.